So, guys, why trading is the hardest way? I want to talk to you about why trading is the hardest way to the easiest money. Well, I want to start with a little bit introduction, right? So, there's a famous phrase that says that trading is the hardest way to make easy money. And honestly, it couldn't be more true. At first glance, trading can seem like a fast track or to financial freedom, right? Just click a few buttons and you're rich, right? But in reality, it's one of the most mentally challenging and emotionally draining ways to make money. And it tests your patience, it tests your discipline, resilience. But stick around because at the end of the breakdown, I'll share an interesting fact about the biggest liquidation in the crypto world. Something every trader should know. So before you dive in, make sure to check out my Telegram channel. If you are serious about becoming the better trader and want to access the proven strategies and real-time market analysis, my channel is going to be the place to be. You'll get the insights you need to navigate the markets and avoid common mistakes that most traders make. Click the link in the description below and join me in the community today. Now, let's get into details, right? So here are 6 reasons. I'm gonna tell you 6 reasons why trading is so hard. But if mastered, can lead to what seems like easy money. Emotional roller coaster trading isn't just about charts and numbers, right? It's a battlefield. It's a battlefield of your own emotions. The moment you enter a trade, you are faced with fear. You are faced with greed. You are faced with excitement. Like every kind of doubt is gonna come to you. These emotions, right? These emotions can cloud your judgment and lead to impulsive decisions, like closing a position too early or chasing after bad trades. The first advice I can give you is first of all, you must develop emotional discipline. One strategy is to have a plan for every trade. So define your entry, exit, and risk before you enter the market. Stick to that plan. No matter how tempted you are to change or deviate from that. Markets are unpredictable, right? Markets are inherently unpredictable. No matter how skilled you are or how well you've analyzed the setup, there's always a chance that markets will do the opposite of what you expect. News, events, economic reports, or even random tweet can send prices in a direction you didn't anticipate. Well, what's the advice here? The only advice I follow is always, and I can give you, is always trade with risk management in trade in place. Use stop losses and never take or risk more than you can afford to lose in a single trade. This will protect your capital, keep you in the game long term, to learn enough and improve yourself. Illusion of easy money. Nowadays, social media is filled with stories of traders making huge profit overnight, right? Leading people to believe that trading is super easy. But what you don't see is the years of hard work, sleepless nights, failed trades that often became before those who had big wins, right? Many traders fall into the trap of thinking they can double their money quickly, which often leads to reckless trading. Adjust your mindset is my advice to you. Understand that trading is a marathon, it's not a sprint. Don't run, focus on consistency rather than chasing huge gains. Small, steady profits over time will build your wealth sustainably. Trust me on this. It's the learning curve. The learning curve of becoming a successful trader is a long and steep learning curve. It requires mastering technical analysis, understanding market psychology, developing a strategy, and constantly adapting to new market conditions. Many people will quit before they even get through the initial phase of learning because it's just too overwhelming, guys. People just cannot take it anymore. What advice I can give you? One of the advice I had in my early days is, what's the rush? Don't rush the process, guys. Set aside time to study the market and practice on a demo account. Before trading with real money, trade on a demo account, learn from your mistakes, review your trades, and gradually improve your strategy. Self-sabotage. We all do self-sabotage. One of the biggest challenges in trading is fighting against your own tendencies for doing self-sabotages. Whether it's like overtrading, revenge trading after a loss, or not following your own trades or your own trade rules. Most of the traders I know often get into their own way. Like self-sabotages can be due to overconfidence, and after a winning streak, or even sometimes after frustration. I've seen a lot of people. So advice is to implement a strict trading routine, stick to it, which means limiting your trades, taking breaks when needed, and always following your trading plan. Discipline is a key to long-term success. Overcoming failure, like every trader experiences losses, and sometimes those losses can be devastating. The real challenge is how you respond to failure. Many traders quit after a big loss or let it affect their confidence, leading to even more mistakes. But the truth is, failure is just part of the process, and how you recover from it is what separates successful traders from those who give up. So, one of the advice I can give you is accept losses. It's just a part of the trading, and use them as learning opportunities. After every loss, ask yourself what you could have done differently. You gotta keep a trading journal to track your progress and emotions. It will help you learn faster and avoid repeating mistakes. Once again, do not forget to check out my Telegram channel if you are serious about becoming a better trader. I share strategies, tips, and real-time insights that will help you navigate the ups and downs of trading. Click the link in the description and join the community right away. So I want to conclude. Trading is without a doubt one of the hardest way to make money, but it can also be one of the most rewarding if you stay disciplined and continue to learn. The emotional highs and lows, the constant unpredictability, and never-ending learning curve make it a challenge. But for those who master it, the rewards can seem like easy money. I have an interesting fact that I want to share with you. Did you know, which I told you in the beginning, interesting fact, did you know that the biggest liquidation event happened in crypto world, which actually took place in 2021? It primarily affected small traders. Over 10 billion was liquidated in just one day. As Bitcoin price dropped sharply, the wipeout hit margin traders who were over leveraged, proving just how dangerous it can be to trade without proper risk management. It's a sobering reminder that no matter how confident you feel, the market can humble you in an instant if you are not careful.